Everyone, it's Grayson here from cherrycollectables.com.au. We've got a box of 0708 Sweet Shot NBA at 646. This is for Mr. John Collins. Mr. John Collins, I have to let you know that I quoted you $85, actually 83 on the site. So you've already saved $2 shopping with Cherry. And of course, we post the hits free on live breaks. So without further ado, here goes. Now the last box of this we busted was a monumental failure. So, good luck. Mind you, we've busted some good stuff too. We busted McGrady 101, and we've busted signature kicks of Rodman and Morning, you name it. Okay. Andrea Bagnani. And the first hit is up sideways. And it is a Zizback for the Celtics jersey. And this one is going to be the other way around. So it's that. Wilson Chandler. One of the I haven't seen many good rookies in this product. But got a signature kicks, that's nice. David Lee. Very nice. Number 18 of 40. Signature kicks. I think there's only like 2 of those in a case. And a rookie, Rodney Stuckey. Rookie jersey, Rodney Stuckey. Numbered to 99. 46 of 99. The Lee is numbered 18 of 40. Signature kick. And the Wilson Chandler is numbered 43 of 699. So yeah, not a bad bust. All the best, Mr. Collins, and everyone else. Check out cherrycollectables.com.au, where you can get your breaks filmed live in high definition and posted straight away. Free hits. See you, peeps. Bye.